Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is a quick little Aliexpress haul. So the first thing is this. I didn't realize I ordered this online. I went and looked. It's 4 different dies, but you get all of them. So I didn't realize they'd be all welded together. But anyway, it's Pumpkin Day, Happy Halloween, Trick or Treat, and Halloween Party. And it looks all good and dandy. The only thing is most dies, word dies or numbers, anything that needs to be, the right direction, is supposed to be mirror imaged. Like this is the upside of a die, that's the cutting part, all those like lips and edges, and that's the back side. So it should read it backwards. You shouldn't be able to read it. Here you can read exactly what it says, Happy Halloween, this and that. So the downfall with that, yeah, you can see that it cuts it out, but look, this is supposed to be the back side of a die, if that makes sense. See how it's kind of like curled up edges and stuff? Versus, boom, you turn it around and it's nice and smooth. That's supposed to be what you see, but then look at the word. It's backwards. You can't even read it. So that was like, that's a mistake on their part. So yeah, that's a bummer, but I did do it in black, so you can technically use it that way. But honestly, I think that's going to bug me how I can see all the paper and the edging isn't smooth and nice. It's like curled up because it's the back side of a die versus the smooth side. So buyer beware. You can use the spider web, the cat, the pumpkin, and the hat, and turn it around to the smooth side, because you can't tell that the pumpkin's mirror image. Like, it doesn't matter which way it goes, so put the smooth side up so you see that, versus the words and letters and whatnot is a bust. Maybe it works prettier with like glitter paper. Maybe you wouldn't see the edges. I'll have to try that. So yeah, that's a boo-boo. It was 2 something. Next one I got is this one. This one took forever. I don't know why, but it's this Trick or Treat. It's a really good size. I love that it's still sturdy and all the letters are welded together. It's in like a creepy, maybe like a bloodish looking font, I guess. Cut it out in glitter. I really like this one. Trick or Treat. Next Halloween die that I got. And you guys, Halloween is what, 3 weeks away? So I wouldn't suggest trying to order now, like today or something, and expect to get it. Like, it just doesn't work that way. And I wouldn't depend on that. So maybe for next year, if you're planning ahead, or you have later Halloween swaps you plan on doing. So here's the little, look at this, broom and mop, or maybe that's a broom too, I don't know. Super cute, like a little witch set. Like, I really love these, and they're super little, so you can like layer it on a tiny embellishment. So there's the 2 brooms, and then I did the hat in both of the colors. So I really like these little guys, the little hats and the little witch brooms. Next thing, I got these 2. It's like a little like star, almost like a snowflake color, and like a peachy, yellowy, orange sunset. It shines different colors. These were like 70 and 80 cents, I think. And then I got pink little hollow hearts. I've been trying to get different shapes and sizes of sequins for sequins mix, because they just look so much prettier when there's a bunch of different ones versus all the little traditional circle ones. Then I got these guys. I did order pink from another store, but I haven't gotten those yet, and I think they might look a little different. So this looks like a double bow, and this is like cut that little fringe off, like a double style bow, in like a satin color. Sometimes it's just easier that you buy them already made for dirt cheap versus trying to make them and stuff. So that's good to have on hand, and I can't wait to get the pink version. Then, like I said, trying to get different shapes. These are little square sequins in pink. I don't know the shade of this pink, sorry guys. That's 20 grams of it. And then you guys saw me haul the gold version of this, which I loved. I went back and ordered a blue, and this got here fast, like really fast. It's like a flat circle sequins, but it's cut out of like glitter, plastic or whatever they use. And then I got the pink version of this glitter one. Super color of my cheetah. It's freezing here today, by the way. And then I got this, like, I don't know what color this would be. Champagne, maybe rose gold, because this is regular gold. Super pretty and dainty. Gonna be perfect for mixes. All right, guys, that is my quick little AliExpress haul, and I will catch you guys on the next video. Bye, guys.